Alright, we're today, Connor, Blake, and Isaac's group presenting how to balance chemical equations. And the first thing we're going to do is write down our equation. See, I already have mine written down. This is the left side, and this is the right side, obviously. And these little underlined things are just for if you need to add a coefficient later. And I'll tell you what a coefficient is when we get to that point. So, the second thing you're going to want to do is actually write down how many of each atom, how many atoms you have in a given element on one side. So how you're going to do that is you're going to separate these in the middle, just to be organized. And there's only one C, only one carbon, because there's only one C on this side. So you'd write C equals 1. Then this is an H. You'd think you'd only write one H, but there's a subscript of 4, which means there's 4 of the thing that's attached to, and it's attached to the H. So hydrogen equals 4. And then oxygen equals 2 because there's a subscript of 2. Now, on the other side, there's again only one C. So this would equal 1, carbon equals 1, oxygen, no, now it's hydrogen. So, and then they would have hydrogen equals 2, and oxygen equals 2, and oxygen equals 1. The reason I'm doing this is because later there's a step that you need to do, and it's just easier if you have them separated, because there's an oxygen that has 2 here and an oxygen that has 1 here. That's the only reason I did that there. Normally you just add them up, but it all happens at the end, so it doesn't matter. And the next thing you want to do is actually balance them out. Carbons are good because they both equal 1, but this H equals 4 and this H equals 2. So what you're going to want to do is take this H and multiply it by 2, making it equal out 4. So then how you would actually make that happen is that you would add a 2 here. But that also messes up this oxygen. So this would be multiplied, and this would the 1 would be multiplied by 2. So this would equal 2, obviously. So now we can just combine these out for one big oxygen equaling 4. Then on this side, we want to multiply this by 2, so it then again equals 4, just like we did on this side. And then you would add the thing right here, coefficient. So then this would equal 2, and your equation balances out. Now you just got to write it down. Running out of room there. H2O. And then that's how you balance out a chemical equation.